Hello guys. Today we are going to talk about the loops. Actually, pretty much for loop. Uh, I will take an example of the list which we actually did in the previous tutorial. If you don't know already about the list, then go and watch my previous tutorial. Um, and guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Breakfast. And thank you very much guys for watching again. In this tutorial I will give you an example of program using list to perform some functionality using these loops. So first of all, let's just make a list for loop to actually I hope you guys got the basic idea what I'm trying to do actually. So we are going to make a list of gadgets. I hope to write gadgets. Actually, make sure you have this is the right spelling. So first of all, guys, don't remember when we made a list of numbers, we did not included the single quotes to write numbers. We just made the list of numbers using these commas, just like this comma separated list. But in this list we are going to make some we are going to use some strings or characters, so we will use single quote. First of all, I have a gadget named mobile. Secondly, and press comma after the first item of this, and then again single quote laptop. I have got a laptop in this second position of list. This is actually the first position when we talk about the arrays or the list actually. So third, I have got uh, watch watch watch. Yes, no, actually these are single quotes, not double quotes, so don't confuse yourself in this. And third, I have got uh, what should I put? I have got tablet. Let's make it tablet and then hit enter. I have got the list of items which I have currently in the gadgets list. So we are going to loop through every item in the list and print these items. So guys, we for loop we use for keyword and then the index or position holder variable, whatever you want to uh, give it a name. I'm going to give it a name I, because in many programming languages tutorials mostly people use I for the iteration. So I'm gonna name it I, and then in. This is very unique and super sonic method to actually it's a very let's just say easy to understand this that what we are going to do. We are going to loop through this list all items and print these items for loop, and then this is position holder, and then in what where we are going to loop through this in. So in pretty much makes sense. Gadgets, we are going to loop through in the gadgets list. So and then after the gadget list, hit colon. So guys, don't forget to keep in mind about the indentation in Python, because when you don't indent your code it will give you an error. So print gadgets. So let's just run it to see if it's working or not. Error, error, we haven't got an error. I'm sure I'm not forgetting something in here. Gadgets, gadgets, error in your program. I guess it's about the invitation. Yup, we have gotten our list. Actually, we sorry guys, I didn't mean to print all the list. uh, I actually wanted to print each item in the list one by one, so I will use I. So in this way we can print all the items one by one in the list. Yes, just like this. Whenever you want to print a list of bunch of uh, rows or list items or some kind of numbers, so use these loops. Loops are used everywhere in the programming. Whenever you want to print data from the database, you use for loops to take data from the database tables and print these uh, rows and show these rows and show these items to the user. So this is actually basic tutorial about the for loops. In this way you can use for loops. uh, for guys, just wait, don't run away. I'm not going to leave you very soon. Let's just, we want to see uh, what is the length of our item in the gadget list. So we will use a built-in function of Python, which is a length actually, to see what is the length of each item of gadget list. So we will write print and brackets, we will write in the brackets length and then I. So I'm sure this is the way. No, this is not the way. Print length and then I. Actually this is the way, I'm sure. Yep, this is the way actually to see what is the length of our items in the gadgets list. So guys, uh, first of all we took a list of some gadgets, of some items, which are these under the single quotes separated by commas, and then we applied a for loop and we used a iterator called I, and then in, which is a built-in function, built-in thing or function, whatever you wanna call it in Python, and then we wrote a list name and then colon at the end. Then we printed out the all the items which we had in the list gadgets. Then then we wrote a code. We used a built-in function len to see the length of each item of gadget. So this is the mobile first item in the list. We this is it's sixth. Length of mobile is 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1, actually this is pretty much clear guys, it's 6 items. Laptop has got 7, sorry, 6 characters, so its length is 7. 6, so it's 6. Watch has got 5 characters, so its length is 5. Tablet got 6 characters, so its length is 6. So uh, this should be very clear to guys what is for loop, and hope we can use for loop in our programs, and what are the benefits of for loop. thank you very much guys for watching the tutorial. I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, breakbugs.com. Thank you.